vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a hop in the ride. No suicide, yeah, yeah. Slow it down. Dirty spray, yeah, yeah, yeah. My.
Hey guys, what is up? Oh, my wig is falling off. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be another wig review. This is a deep wave wig. I'll leave the company name right here on the screen, you guys, because I don't want to get it mixed up. Now, I ain't gonna lie. I overplucked this unit, y'all. I don't know how. Using a sharp tweezer and just not paying attention sometimes. So I kind of overplucked it up in this area here, but hopefully it's okay. I'm still gonna make it work. Because this unit did need to be plugged, but girl, I kind of went in right up in here. You can't really see it because I put some eyeshadow there. So hopefully it can kind of hide it. Now, one thing I love about this unit is the lace look absolutely amazing. One thing I don't like about this unit, it does not come with a strap or any type of band. So it like, I wish it was a little bit more snug, but some wigs come like that. You just gotta, you know, make sure you glue it on. This is not like a glueless unit. You have to glue this on. So girl, I've been real rough today. I even ripped my lace a little bit, but we're gonna still make it work. I want to try this hairstyle out. I saw a girl on TikTok and Instagram with, so I'm gonna, like, if I can find a picture, I'll insert it right here for you guys. So what I'm gonna do right now is just glue the unit down, and then we'll move from, and we'll go from there. Like I said, I did pluck this unit. I had to because it needed to be plucked. And I know a lot of you guys be like, Bree, we need a plucking video. It is coming. It is coming. I already worked on it, so I just have to edit it and stuff like that. It won't be on this wig. It'll be on another wig. But girl, I definitely plucked my unit. So right now I'm just gonna glue it on, and I want this to stay on for about 3 days. I have some content, so I want to make sure I glue it on good. I have some content to film for YouTube and stuff like that. So I'm going to be using my Erica J Hold Me Down adhesive really quick, and I'm also going to be using my Wonder Lace glue. I do have a stocking cap on, y'all, but it's kind of sliding back, which is okay because this lace is so thin. I want to make sure that you know, the stocking cap does not show, and I have to pull it up. So, you know, we're gonna make it work, okay? Okay, you guys, so the hair is pretty much glued on. I just kind of took my time and made sure I glue it on properly. Now I'm just gonna hot comb it back a little bit. Like I said, I overplucked it right there, but I just put some black eyeshadow to kind of make it look like some hair. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hot comb it a little bit around the hairline, and then we're gonna go ahead and melt the lace. And how we are melting the lace, I already started. I'm gonna take this Wonder Lace Bun melting spray, and I sprayed a little bit. I don't spray it directly, I just spray a little bit, and then I just take my finger and my comb and I just push it in like this, because I don't like it to be too hard. And then I just took some foundation to kind of match my hairline. Now, it's still a little ashy and it's a little shiny and messy right here, but we'll go ahead and fix that in a little bit. Right now, we just are gonna hot comb it to the back and then tie it up for about 10 minutes. And then, you know, just so we'll know what's going on and what's, yeah, we're just gonna hot comb it. Just to see if we need to pluck it anywhere else, because I know I over plucked it right here, but I do like my temple areas to be like, I feel like it needs to be plucked right here because there's too much hair right there. So I'll just do some like small touch-ups to make sure that it's like seamless and it just looks real as possible. You know, we just want to make sure that we, you know, give the illusion that this is our natural hair. You know, we know that it's not, but we want to just make sure that we are trying to make it as natural as possible. So I'm just going to go and just little spots that's a little dark. I'm just going to go and pluck it a little bit just so it can be a little bit more see-through. I also had dyed this lace and bleached this lace. This hair, so I got a little of the hair dye on the lace, so it looks a little black in certain areas. But girl, when I tell you I know how to fix my hair, I know how to make it work. And I was like, oh my gosh, I hope I didn't ruin this wig, because this is a really great wig, but I didn't. When I tell you the lace is nice and thin, I can't wait to see how it looks when I like fully melt it, because I can't really tell right now, but I know that it looks like it's gonna melt pretty good. See, like right here, that's not really hair, that's me, like I kind of over plucked. I kind of put some hair dye, so I'm just gonna take my foundation, my Ruby Kiss foundation, and create these little lines on the lace part so it can look as natural as possible. You get what I mean? Okay. Like that. That looks pretty natural to me. I might have to pluck a little bit more from this side though. Up in this area. These tweezers are so new. You have to be careful with these tweezers. Cause baby, you may think you're plugging, you're not plugging a lot, but when you comb it out and you like, oh my gosh, what happened to the hair? It's because you over plucked it, and it happens to the best of us, y'all. Trust me. All right, that's enough plucking, Bree, because I can get a little heavy-handed. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and let this melt and tie our band down, and then maybe just do our little two baby edges that we always do, that you guys see me do all the time. And then we'll go ahead and put some product on the hair and see if we can do this style that I saw on Instagram. I'm not sure if I could do it, but I'm gonna try to do it. Okay, Okay, you guys, so the baby hair is pretty much on. I mean, done, and then the lace is pretty much on. Now, the reason I did my baby hairs this big is because with this hairstyle, I feel like it looks really cute like that. So, what I'm going to do is show y'all. So, I'm going to do like this low ponytail kind of situation, I think. So, first, let's get the hair. Let's talk about, like, let's get the curls popping, okay? Let's see if it's giving deep wave or not, okay? We're gonna get the curls popping. So I'm gonna just spray it down with some water. The hair is nice and fluffy. It may seem like a lot of hair, but it's not. It don't feel too heavy, and I love when a hair don't feel too heavy. I don't like when my hair is super heavy and it's a whole bunch of hair in my head. No. Let's spray some water, and this water have like a leave-in conditioner in it, like water and conditioner. So we're gonna make these curls pop out. And this is just some hair milk deep curl refresher spray, and this is by the brand Carol's Daughter. I love this pump on this hairspray, so when I run out of it, I'm definitely gonna be using that bottle. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing all the way around. Oh my gosh, this hair is looking beautiful. Look at that curl. I love a curl like that. That's like one of my favorite texture. I feel like I'm not saying that right. It's deep wave, because I just love a nice, I like loose wave and deep wave. So we're gonna go ahead and wet this up so we can get Puerto Rican, period. And then I'm going to take a little bit of this curl mousse. Oh my gosh, this hair is so airy. I like that. Like, I like how the curls kind of just bounce back. Because I was like, hopefully this hair curls, because it's like kind of like a loose wave. I can't tell like the curls, but this is pretty. Make sure you want to mousse the ends of it as well. Then I'm going to let it air dry. Make sure you get all the way to the end, so I can make sure. Okay. And this is my first time putting product on the hair, so yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and wet this all the way around like that, and then we're gonna let it dry a little bit, and then we're gonna style it in our style that we want to style it in. Okay, but yeah, I decided to dye this a jet black, and girl, it eats the girls down. I don't know, jet black hair is just so like luxurious. So I'll be back once it's almost dry. Guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and style this while it's wet. I think it'll be easier. So I'm gonna just push this all back, because this is gonna be in a pony, a half up, half down pony. Because once the hair dries, I don't want to manipulate the curls. You know what I mean? I don't want to manipulate the curls. So it's best to just do it while it's wet, and then let it do what it do. So I'm gonna just put an even amount of hair in the top. I want this ponytail to be pretty low. That feels pretty even. Oh, y'all, my arms hurt. I've been working out today. And girl, my arms killing me. Okay, I'm gonna put one more scrunchie just to make it a little bit more neater. Like that. Okay. Okay, you guys, so the hair is pretty much dry. Well, it is dry. It's been a couple of hours. But this is the style that I came up with, this hairstyle. I really love the way it looks. I kind of did my makeup, fixed my makeup a little bit and put on, because I just got done filming. But I just wanted to show you guys how my hair looks. I'm going to do a little turn so you guys can see the back of it and how the hair looks dry. This is how the hair looks completely dry. So this is it for this tutorial or this hair review. I love this hair. Make sure you guys check them out. Loved it so much. And the hairstyle came out how I like it, you guys. I saw a girl on TikTok with this hairstyle and I was like, you know what? I kind of like this hairstyle. It's so cute and it's just off my face, but it's still curly hair. And the lace is looking really good. The baby hairs are not overdone. Everything just looks so good. So make sure you guys check them out. I'll leave the link down below for you guys to get this hair, because it is everything. Period. Bye, guys.